But we want to do an intro just to say thank you to everyone who's watched our video so far. We are at the moment at 81 subscribers and we've got 1,000 views on our main video, which is pretty cool because before this, me and Darren had 2 friends each.
And one of those friends each was each other.
It was.
You gotta be careful.
So now it's like we've got 81 friends. But yeah, episode 2. So obviously in the first episode, we took the engine apart. It was not good, but it was kind of what we expected. We figured out that cylinder 6, which is kind of the culprit cylinder, had really quite bad bore scoring. So one of the reasons for this video that we've had to move on to the bodywork is we have sent the cylinders off for re-sleeving, so they come back without Wolverine's claw marks in them, basically. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed the first video. Second thing to add is it makes me feel really good when people like and subscribe to my channel. So if you could like and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated, and it might mean that me and Darren can do another series / episode / part
one of even
with,
2
with other cars.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's get into episode 2, which is spraying the chassis. I know what you're all thinking. That car's missing quite a lot of car, and you'd be right. I'll tell you what happened. One, me and Darren are not seasoned YouTubers, and to be brutally honest, we forgot to film the content. Car's in a bit of prep mode. Thought I'd do a little video update. Whole car is prepped for painting. Just taping it up now, and we're going to go back over it with a little bit of 1-2.
In this video, you'll learn how to do a 1-2.
And we should be good to spray. Nice. The car is fully prepped to be painted. It was a little bit of a bigger job than we thought, purely because when we first got the car, we thought it was the original paint and it was just in really good condition. After going over the car, it looks like it's been painted since it came out of the factory in Stuttgart, and the guy didn't do a very good job, to be totally honest with you. So we've spent about 3 or 4 hours sanding the car down. We started with lower grit sandpaper and moved up to higher grit sandpaper. In some parts we've had to fill the car where there was quite a lot of pin dents or just quite large dents, to be honest with you.
Paint indiscrepancies we could probably...
Paint indiscrepancies we'll put it down to. Okay, so truth be told, we might have got the paint gun out a little bit too early, because once we gave the car its first coat of blue, we realised there were still quite a lot of imperfections on the car itself, which we couldn't really see through the primer, because the primer was a very similar colour to the original paintwork. So what we decided to do is once we had sprayed it blue and we could see all the imperfections, we just kind of used that to sand over where we could see the issues. We refilled, re-primered. Then we were kind of happy that we could move on to spraying the car properly. After Darren finished sanding the car down and using the air gun to get rid of any dust, we had to leave the car for 24 hours because in that kind of room a lot of the dust is still floating around in the air, so you need to give it some time to settle, because the problem that would have happened if we sprayed straight away is the dust would have settled on the car and it would have been really difficult to get out, and it would have probably ruined the paintwork. So we waited 24 hours, we came back and we gave the car its proper coat of blue, I suppose. And as you can see from the video, it looks quite good, to be honest. We were quite happy because we've never sprayed a car before. There were a couple of minor imperfections, as you can see here in the wing. We don't really know what happened. It wasn't quite fisheye, but some of the paint rippled a little bit. But like I say, it's our first time spraying the car, so I think it went pretty well.
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was pretty good. We was quite proud of ourselves.
We were. Although the first coat of blue went really, really well, once we noticed that we did have some imperfections, like you saw the rippling in the paintwork, and there was some fisheye at some other parts of the car, we decided to give it a sand down again, and we ended up giving the car another coat of blue. And this time, I think, as you can see, even like on this wing here, it come out a lot better. So after kind of seeing this and seeing that there was really no perfections left in the car, we decided that we were good to move on to the clear coat. So, since the last video, we've now put on 2 coats of clear coat. And as you can see from the paintwork, you can really see that metallic starting to come in, and it's starting to look like the sapphire blue it's supposed to look like. If we just have a little walk around the car now, just to kind of appreciate what we managed to achieve.
What we cooked up here.
What we cooked up, yeah. We've been in the kitchen a little bit with this one. So yeah, as you can see, even coming down on the quarter panels, that front wing is looking good. You can even see the metallic flake a little bit. Okay, what I don't want you to do is panic, because this is exactly what it's supposed to look like. Once you finish with the 2 coats of clear coat, inevitably, because of the kind of the environment we're in, but to be fair, any spray booth, you're going to have some dust that lands on the final coats of clear, and you're going to have some orange peel in the car as well. So to really make it look good, what we have to do is we have to sand flat over the clear coat, and then we move on to a 3-stage machine polish. So I'll show you Darren doing that right now. Painting of the chassis is completed. What have we done? I hadn't even painted a picture before this, now I painted a Porsche. Quality. Go on then, Darren. Let's give it a little open. Right, in here, what we have...
New toy day.
New toy day, basically. This is delivery of the new Cayman body kit. So, we're hoping it looks as good as we think it's going to look.
Oh, that'll be quite a bit of money spent if it doesn't.
Yes, we will reveal all costings at the end of the video, but they weren't giving it away.
Yeah, it weren't free.
Okay.
Quite a bit of bubble wrap going on here.
It's got a bit of bubble wrap. Is that just the front bumper? It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just the front.
It's just the front. Bastard. How do I felt light?
Is there a delivery note there?
Once you've unwrapped all the bumper, we'll show you what's going on. Well, here it is. As you can see, when we were unboxing it, we realised that they've only sent us the front bumper instead of the whole kit. But we are upgrading to a GT4 style body kit. Here's the front bumper. Darren is out there right now messaging him on eBay, wondering what's going on, what's going on? But,
Ciao.
thanks for watching. This has been episode 2 of the Cayman rebuild. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe. Next time on Chow and Darren's Garage, we fit some new brakes, we fit some new alloys, we roll the car outside and drill some holes in the boot.